kids, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. كيف الحال يا طلابي؟ زين؟ خير؟ Alhamdulillah. I hope you all are fine and safe. Had your breakfast, children? Say yes or no, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did everyone enjoy the last class? Did you enjoy our friends Namla's song? Can we hear that song from one of our friends? Okay, listen.
Namlatun, namlatun, namlatun swadikatun, lamlatun, zamlatun, namlatun jamilatun, namlatun, namlatun, namlatun swadikatun, lamlatun, namlatun, namlatun habibatun.
Very good. What did we learn in our last class? We learned some new words also in our live class. Isn't it? Do you remember those words? Can we hear those words from one of our friends? Listen.
I am Aliya KM first standard. Lesson 1. Musun labida. Banana. Mouse. Mirror. Mirata. Comb. Musht. And namlat. Butterfly. Farashat. Thank you. I am Hisham Hamza. I study first standard. Lesson 1. Mouse Laziz. Mouse Musht Mirat Namlat Farashat Madrasat Miftah Tamr. Thank you, Miss.
Good. Very good. We learned some new words in our live class. Can we revise those words? Okay, listen. Madrasat. Madrasat. School. Madrasat. School. Miftah. Miftah. Key. Tamr. Tamr, dates. Shall we continue our story? Are you ready? Okay. Where did our story reach? Yes. Namla and Farasha were in their house. Isn't it? One day, there came a visitor to Namla's house. Who was that visitor? Do you know? He is none other than Babu-A, parrot. Okay, children? Babu-A saw our friend Farasha in front of the house and asked, Babu-A asked, Aina Namla? Where is the Namla? She replied, Farasha replied, Fil baiti, in the house. Baiti meaning house. Got it, children? That time, Namla was in the doorstep. Namla invited the guest. Who was that guest? Yes, Babu. Yeah, Babu. Come on, my dear Babu. Then Namla gave burtukal to Babu. Burtukal meaning orange. Then Babu ate the burtukal and said, Burtukal khul. Burtukal khul. Orange is sweet. Then Namla and Farasha see of the Babu. Babu flied away. In the evening, Namla and Farasha played in the garden. Farasha sat on the vard. Do you know vard? Vard meaning rose. Farasha said, Al-Warudu Jameel. Rose is beautiful. Got it, children? Dear kids, what Namla and Farasha were doing? Yes, they were playing in the garden. Then they stopped their play. So, I am stopping the story here. We will continue our story the next class. Okay, children? Okay, listen. We have some new words to study today. Listen. Bakarat, cow. Bind, girl. Bulbul, nightingale. Khabili, rope. Khabili, rope. Got it, children? What did we learn today, children? We learned the following words. Babu, Babu, parrot. Burtukal. Orange. White. House. Vard. Rose. Vard, rose. Bakarat, cow. Bind, girl. Bulbul, nightingale. Nightingale. Habile, rope.
Ma for mouse, ma for mouse, ma 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 ma. Me for mir'at, me for mir'at, me me me. mi, mi, mi. Mu for must, mu for must, mu, 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 mu. M for namla, m for namla, m, 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 m. Ba for bait, ba for bait, ba, 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 ba. B for bint, B for bint, B, 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 B. Boo for bulbul, boo for bulbul, boo, 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 boo. B for habl, B for habl, b, 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 b.